Guys, if you have been using ChatGPT just to tell it write for me, or maybe something like create for me an image like this, blah blah blah, shallow prompting, like you just give it a small prompt, like in terms of actually creation, then you are not using it to fully, like you are not using it to maximize the full potential of these AI tools. I want to show you how I use ChatGPT actually for planning, strategically giving me roadmaps to creation, to content creation, to digital products creation, and business idea creation. Using these tools, AI tools, for instance, AI like ChatGPT and the other one. Now, the one that I've been obsessed lately, it's not even ChatGPT, it's not even Gemini, it's not even the one that you're thinking. It is Manus AI. But I normally do this. I try as much as possible to actually do what? To incorporate, like to try like something like fighting together, not fighting, but just using one AI to give me maybe to give me information that I gonna use to the next powerful AI. All of them, they are powerful, but I still feel like Manus AI is a bit, or maybe it is higher than anything. So first thing, I use ChatGPT for scripting, or maybe for ideas, to give me ideas on what I want to build. For instance, a business plan. I ask ChatGPT to give me based on what we have discussed. Remember, when you start discussion with any AI tool like ChatGPT, it's gonna store your information somehow. So ChatGPT has been storing my conversation, my the prompts that I've been giving it, and it knows 1, 2, 3 things about me in terms of creation and also in terms of business wise. So I gave it according to what I wanted to create, a business plan for another business I'm thinking. And then it gave me a business idea plan, and I asked it for a prompt that I can use in Manus AI, so that it can create for me everything. Manus AI is on another level. It creates almost everything, from website, from slides, from presentations, business plans, scripts. It creates visuals, and it is just amazing. You give it a prompt, and then it's gonna go and work and dive in, and this is just the beauty of automation. So this is the plan that I have, the prompt that I have given it, and you can see I still have some credits here. By the way, each day the prompts normally refreshes to 3, they give you 300 prompts every day. And also I still have some prompts here, so I'm gonna insert here is like they normally give you this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is their plan. If you want to upgrade monthly, let's see monthly. So on monthly basis, this is what they actually ask you if you want to go pro, so that you can use, and you can see the features every day. 300 refresh credits if you are planning for 19 per month, 1,900 credits per month. Those are a lot, plus extra per month. So it's amazing. And we have this plus and pro. Okay, so for those who are thinking to go Manus Pro, so when you start using Manus AI, you're gonna realize that it does what? It is like this. Once you sign up, you will get this dashboard. This is where you're gonna be having your conversation with Manus AI, and this is where also the place whereby it's gonna give you the answers. Once you insert your prompt, it's going to give you feedback here. So Manus is not just a tool for any other. It is one of the best. I highly recommend. You can create, you can analyze, you can research, you can code, and you can create a lot of things because it features a lot of things. Like in instance, you can talk about live research, education, data analysis, product, content creation, and much more. Okay, so the interface has already some samples that people are doing, and also that you can try. So I'm gonna give Manus AI one of my business prompt that I want it to generate for me, and you can see what it's gonna do. So this is the prompt that I'm gonna be giving Manus AI. it has here. Okay, so let's see. And by the way, as a new person who just subscribed to Manus, you're gonna be given 15 credits and also 300 per day refreshed. So let's click here and I'm gonna show you what Manus is gonna do. As you can see, Manus is working and analyzing, receiving your request, and it's gonna go on and start planning, or maybe start expanding and working. And you can see here you are being told that Manus is working on everything. So it's gonna work like it, depending on the prompt that you have given it, it's gonna work and work and work just for you as you sip your coffee or your tea, and it's gonna give you feedback later. So let's wait and see. I'm super excited to show you the results. So that you can jump in and start using Manus AI as well as other AI tools. I hope you're gonna love this one. This is amazing, especially for entrepreneurs, for people who want to dive into digital products. You want to create something, you want to create your own website. You don't need even to know about coding, but if you are someone who knows about coding, the better. But if you are not a tech person, this is okay. You can still learn from it. If you can describe what you want, then Manus can create absolutely everything, from slide presentation, from script, from plans, and much more that we can't even finish on one day. I hope to see you the final product, because I'm working on a business plan that I've been having the idea in my head, and I'll show you once it is done. For now, Manus is still working, and I'm gonna be sipping my tea and give you full information. Okay, guys? So after a few minutes, around 35 minutes, Manus AI came out and it has actually completed all the tasks, and you can see they are in PDF plan. It has worked, all of them. So this is the feedback, and I'm really pleased. Like, I'm really happy to use Manus AI because it just arranges everything and makes everything super easy for you to follow and also to create, especially for entrepreneurs, for content creators, and anyone who is diving into AI tools. So this is the first one, as well as you can download here and watch everything, or maybe read about it, follow the plan, and just have everything. So it has analyzed everything according to the information that I had given it, suggested all the strategy, given all the plan, for the entire business plan. Like, everything is here, including the name, the domain, strategy, financial projection and business model, projection, total year, first year projection. It has given all the things, suggested all the name. It has even analyzed the risk and mitigation, and given conclusion and next step and what you can do. So you guys, this is all gold, especially for those people who are interested in building something tangible, something profitable. I highly recommend you to use, or maybe to utilize, these AI tools so that you can learn from them, and also just get those ideas out into creating something of your own. Okay, it has given a lot, even the marketing plan, marketing strategy, SEO strategy, content strategy plan. Everything is included in all these PDFs. So this is just one PDF. Remember, it has created a business plan, content, website. It has created email sequence, everything according to the prompt that I had given it. So in conclusion to this video, what I wanted to show you guys, or maybe to tell you guys, if you're gonna give any AI tool to create, or maybe to make something beneficial for you, don't just be shallow. Don't just give it a shallow prompt. Don't just tell it like something like, oh, just create for me something, or maybe create an image. No, go deeper, especially those who are into business ideas. Give it, let AI be like your smart person, or maybe your smart partner or friend, who can actually give you who can actually help you come out with strategies to actually launch those products, launch those business that you have been struggling with, and find compelling ideas that can actually help you. Okay, don't just stuck at using AI tool in a very big, not beginner, but in a very low way. That's the word I want to say. I don't know if I'm you are getting my point, but I know you are getting what I'm saying. Go deeper. Learn how to prompt, actually learn how to communicate with the AI to get the best result. Because if you give it just garbage, it's gonna give you garbage. But if you think wisely and communicate, ask it questions, you're going to get the best out of it within a very short time. Something that you could pay someone to actually someone to you could pay someone a lot of money to get such results, or maybe such plans. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys are loving this content, and if you have any questions, you want to dive into AI, utilize some these AI tools as a busy mom, as a parent, a stay-at-home parent, as an entrepreneur, as a working mom, as a smart mom, or any person. Actually, I'm just talking about mom because I'm a mom, and we know how our time is valuable. That's why we need someone, or maybe we need some tools that can help us to utilize every chance that we get, so that we can focus on our families and the kids and stuff, and our own self. Until next time guys, I'll see you next. Bye bye.